Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. So yesterday I was teaching the Clever Brothers lesson. Okay. Okay. What I taught there are four brothers. Okay. Four brothers are clever. Okay. What are their qualities? What is the first brother's quality? What is the first brother's quality, ma? He can wherever he sits, nobody can replace him. That means nobody can ask him to get up. Okay. Why? Because he will choose the place. He will choose the correct place where nobody can stop him. Nobody can ask him to get up. Okay. So that's why he choose the place, correct place. And what is the second brother's quality? Okay. What is the second brother's quality? He can guess the quality of the food, right? And what is the third brother's quality? He can guess the quality of a pillow or bed. Okay. So yesterday I did not explain what is the fourth brother's quality. What is the fourth brother's quality actually? He can join. That means he can join the divided husband and wife. If they quarrel themselves, if they divide, then he can join them. That means he can talk with them and he can join with them together. Okay, that is the fourth brother's quality. So what happened to the third brothers? One day the king sent one of the pillow to the third brother. Okay. Then one night he spent with the pillow. Then early morning he came to the king and said that there is a tail. You know tail? Hairstyle inside the pillow. He said that hairstyle inside the pillow. So the king asked him to open that pillow. So in front of all courtiers and men, king, he teared the pillow and opened it. So when he opened that pillow, what happened? There is a hairstyle inside the pillow. You know, hair means rabbit. It is looking like a rabbit. Comparing to rabbit, it is bigger than the rabbit. Okay. So its tail found inside the pillow. By seeing that, the king was surprised. Because he is a clever man. Without opening that pillow, he said that there is a hairstyle inside the pillow. That's why the third brother also clever brother. Okay. Now he wants to. The king wants to test the fourth brother. Okay. The king wants to test the fourth brother. So how he tested the fourth brother, we will see here today. Okay. Okay. Okay, ma. So at last the king, page number 30 open ma, page number 30, textbook page number 30. Did you open? Okay. At last the king devised a plan to test the youngest brother. Youngest brother means small brother. Okay. Fourth one. He arranged with the queen that she should go to the royal rest house outside the city and pretend that they had quarreled and parted from each other. Okay. He also told her not to budge from there even if someone tried to pursue her to return. The queen agreed and left the palace. The king sent for the fourth brother and told him that his wife had quarreled with him and left him. He asked him to go to her and bring her back to the palace. So this time the king wants to test the fourth brother. That means youngest brother. Fourth one means youngest only, the last one. So he wants to test the last brother. So for testing, the king went to the queen. Queen means his wife, king's wife. Okay. And he told her, the king something planned and go to the queen and he said like this to the queen. What he said? He arranged with the queen that she should go to the royal rest house outside the city. So what he planned, he asked the queen to go to the royal rest house. Royal rest house means his guest house, we will say guest house. Okay. So where is that rest house? It is outside of the city outskirts. Okay, there is a kingdom, king's kingdom. So outside of the king's kingdom, there is a rest house. Okay, so he asked the queen to go to the royal rest house and stay there and should not come to the kingdom. Okay, and also he said that pretend that we have quarreled. That means queen should act like that. King and queen quarreled. That means they fight against each other. Okay. So what queen has to act? Queen has to act that they quarreled themselves. King and queen quarreled themselves. So queen left the palace and went outside of the outside kingdom. Okay. So everyone go to the sorry. Some message sent the teacher. I was talking that one only. Okay. The king said to the queen. Okay, what he said that you can go to our rest house outside of the kingdom. There is a rest house. You can go and stay there, and you act like that. We two members. That means queen and queen, king and queen quarrel themselves. Okay, these two husband and wife fight, and she left the palace. That she has to act. Actually, they did not quarrel. King and queen did not quarrel, but they are acting like that. They quarreled. Quarrel means fight. Okay, so they have to act, and the queen should leave the palace, and she has to go to the rest house of the kingdom. So she left the palace and she went to the rest house. And also king said that you should not budge from that place. Budge means should not move. Okay, should not leave. Here, pretend means act. Act as something is real. Something is real. Okay? And budge means move from a place. Budge means move from a place. No, you should not budge means you should not come. If someone will come to convince you, okay, if queen fight with the king, someone will go to the queen and they ask her to convince, okay, we should not fight, we have to go to kingdom and you live with the king. Like that, someone will convince her, right? Someone will go to the queen and convince her, right? So if someone comes to you and if they try to convince you, though you should not come to palace, just you stay in the outskirts of the rest house, but you should not come. Like that the king told to the queen, and the queen also accepted whatever king said. That she accepted and she went inside the she went into the rest house. Okay. And they parted. They parted means they divided. King and queen divided. Okay, they quarreled themselves, they divided, and queen angrily left the palace and she went inside the royal rest house. So they have to act like that. That's why the queen left the palace and she went to the royal rest house. And also the queen agreed and left the palace. The king sent for the fourth brother. So whenever the queen left the palace and went to the royal rest house, the king ordered to bring the fourth brother. You know fourth brother, what is his quality? He can join the modern couple. Okay. So already here they are acting, king and queen acting like that. They parted, right? King and queen parted. They are acting like that. So he sent men to bring that fourth brother. So whenever the fourth brother comes, he will explain about the quarrel between the queen and king. So he asked him to go to the at last the fourth brother came to the kingdom. Okay, and the king speak to the fourth brother. What he said, you go to royal rest house. There is a queen. Okay, she left the palace. She quarreled with me and she left the palace. You go to the queen and you convince her and bring her back to the palace. Did you understand? First, he spoke to the queen that she act like that. She quarreled with him and she left the palace. And if someone comes to convince you, you should not come to the palace. Like that, he told to the queen and he sent the queen to royal rest house. Then he called fourth brother. So just I have written the meaning now. Okay. So when the fourth brother came to the palace, at that time the king said that the queen quarreled with me and she left the palace. Just you go to the royal rest house and convince the queen and ask her to come back to the palace. So the fourth brother, what he said, we've seen this paragraph. Okay, please don't worry. Only give me 2 days and I will bring her back. So then after listening the king's words, the fourth brother said that, oh king, don't worry. I will give me just 2 days time. Give me just 2 days time. I will bring her back to the palace. Okay, I will bring queen to back to the palace. He said that. Okay. Take as much time as you want, said the king, fully convinced that he would not succeed. Okay. So then king said that take as much time as you want, not only just 2 days. You can take enough time. Okay. But you will bring her back. And the king hoped that he never bring the queen to the queen back to the palace. Why? Because they planned no. Actually, queen and king did not fight. Okay, did not quarrel, but they are acting. If they are acting, the queen and also king said that to queen, you should not convince. If someone will come to you and they wants to convince you, you should not convince and should not come back to the palace until I told you. Okay, so the king have 100% confident that the fourth brother will not bring the queen back. That's why he said that you can take as much time as you can and you can bring the queen back. But the king thinking that he never bring the queen back. Okay. So what happened? The young man made all the necessary preparations for the arranging a royal wedding. Then he summoned the royal band of musicians and went past the rest house where the queen was staying. The queen saw him and called him and asked him who he was finding a new bride for. The young man laughed and said, don't you know this, madam? For our king. Why do you think he sent you away from the palace? So the young man, young man means here fourth brother, he planned for a royal wedding. Royal wedding means get married. Okay. So he planned for a royal wedding. Whose marriage is going on here? King's marriage. Actually, king has a wife. Okay. He sent away to the royal rest house. So here the young man planned to get married to the king. Okay. And he did all the arrangements. So for marriage purpose, they have all necessary whatever we need for a marriage. All he arranged. Okay. Okay. All he arranged. What if marriage is going on? What necessary things we need? We need band. Okay, musicians, band musicians. Okay, musicians, and some of the guests will come for a marriage. So he arranged all necessary things, and that musicians, band musicians are going on now when marriage is going on. Musicians, band, something they will bring. So those musicians, some of the people are going in front of the royal rest house where queen is living now. Where is the queen? She is in a royal rest house. So that band of musicians and fourth brother are going in front of the royal rest house. So if they are going, queen will ask no, whose marriage is going on here, like that she will ask no. Will she ask or not? She will ask that whose marriage is going on, who is getting married here, like that. So whenever the queen saw that band musicians, they are going in front of her house, then queen called the fourth brother and she asked whose marriage is going on here, who is getting married, like that she asked her the question. Then the fourth brother said that, don't you know, madam, our king, I fetched a bride for our king. And do you know why he sent you away? He planned to send you away, then he will get married. Right? So what he said that the king is going to get married. That's why he sent you away from the palace. So when then how she feel? How queen will feel? They thought that king planned to sent me away and he wants to marry. That's why he sent away, right? She will misunderstand the king. Actually, king wanted to test the fourth brother, but the fourth brother, what he planned, if the king is going to marry, then queen will got angry. Okay, she will come back to the palace and ask the king why he sent away, what mistake I have done, why are you leaving me, why are you getting married to other girl? Like that, she will ask or not? Will she ask or not? She will ask, right? Nobody will leave her husband, right? So the band of musicians are going in front of the house, in front of the royal rest house. Then queen called the fourth brother and asked him who is getting married, whom he is getting married, like that she asked. Then the fourth brother said that, you know, our king only getting married and he sent away to plan, he planned and he sent away to you. Then he is going to get another girl. He is going to marry another girl. So by listening that, what queen reaction we will see here. Okay. The queen got alarmed and said, why is the king playing this dirty trick on me? I will ask him in your presence. Come, let's go to the king. So whenever the queen listened these words of the fourth brother, she is saying that why he planned this dirty plan on me? Why he planned a trick on me? So he wants to marry other girl. That's why he sent away. So that's why he asked me to stay in a rest house. And whenever I come to rest house, he selected a bride and he is going to marry. That means he planned a dirty trick on me. So I will ask the king in presence of you. Come with me. So queen took fourth brother with her, and he went away. She went away to the. She went to the palace. Queen and fourth brother together went to the palace to ask the king why he is going to marry other girl. Okay. Then, oh king, the queen is coming back to join you. Sorry. The young man reached the palace before the queen and went up to the king. So when the queen said that we will go to the palace and ask the king why he is going to get married to other girl, why he is leaving me. So she wants to ask you. Then before the queen reached the palace, the young man before the queen, the young man reached the palace and said that what he said that, oh king, the queen is coming back to join you. She will be here soon. So the fourth brother, before the queen reached the palace, the fourth brother went to the palace and said that, oh king, the queen is coming to join with you. As soon as possible, she will come to palace. He said that. So what he promised, I will bring her back to the palace, right? He promised to the king, I will bring the queen back to the palace, right? Now, before the queen reached the palace, the fourth brother reached the palace and he said that, oh king, queen is coming back to the palace to join with you. So the next moment, the queen hurried in before he had finished. She cried, is it for this that you sent me away? Do you need such a cunning plan to marry again? So whenever the fourth brother is saying like that, oh king, the queen is coming back to the palace to join with you. So before he finished, in hurriedly, the queen reached the palace and she was crying. Why she was crying? So if her husband is going to marry other girl, how wife will be feel? You know, the wife queen was crying, and while crying, she asked that to get married to other girl, you have to plan like that. Did you send me for this planning? So you made this plan. That's why you sent away. Okay, you sent me away to go to rest house like that. You plan to marry other girl. That's why you sent me, no? Like that, she is asking to the king. The king was puzzled at her words. He looked at the young man and he said, "Oh king, this is just a trick I played to bring her back to you." So when she is asking like that, the king don't know that he is going to marry. Really, is he going to marry? King is going to marry? No. Even he don't know that he is going to marry. Just fourth brother planned like that. Actually, he did not search a bride. He did not search a bride. Just the fourth brother planned like that. Just he called the musicians, not a bride. And these things don't know king. He don't know, doesn't know the king. Why? Because king is not going to marry any other girl. Just king planned to test a fourth brother, but he did not want to marry any girl. And even he don't know that the fourth brother planned for a marriage. right? Only queen knows that he is going to marry, but king don't know that. While she is asking, the king was puzzled, shocked. Why he shocked? He don't know that he is going to marry actually. Only what they are planned, but the king don't know that he is going to marry other girl. So when his wife, that means queen, is asking him, you are going to marry other girl. That's why you left me. You asked me to live in a rest house. So if you want to marry other girl, you have to plan like this. Why don't you ask me like that? She is shouting at him. She is crying. She is shouting at the king. When she is shouting, the king don't know anything about that. Even the king don't know that he is going to marry. So that's why he was puzzled. That means he was shocked. What she is talking at me? Why I will marry other girl? I have a queen. Why should I marry other girl? Like that, he was questioning himself. That means he was shocked by listening the queen's word. So while shocking, he turned to the fourth brother. What she is talking to me? Why she is crying? What she is talking to me like that? He was amazed and he looked at the fourth brother. So when the king looked at the fourth brother is explaining like that. Oh king, this is just a trick I played to bring her back to you. Oh king, don't misunderstand me. It is just a trick. Just a trick. Why he planned this trick? Because I want to bring her back to your palace. Okay, I have to bring her back to your palace. That's why I trick like this. Actually, you are not going to marry any other girl, and you never left the leave the queen. Just I planned like that. If I say you are going to marry other girl, she will come back to the palace, right? If any wife will not accept that her husband marry other girl. So like that, queen also thinking like that. If her husband is going to marry, then she will compulsory she will come back to the palace, right? That's why the fourth brother planned a trick like that. If the king is going to marry other girl, the queen compulsory will come back to the palace. That's why he trick like that. Just it is a trick. Oh king, please excuse me. Just it is a trick to bring her back to the palace. The fourth brother said that, oh king, please excuse me. Just it is a trick. Actually, you are not going to marry any other girl. Just this is a plan. This is I made a plan that to bring back her to palace. So the king admired the cleverness of the young man and showered him and his brothers with all kinds of the gift. So the king was impressed by their cleverness, by the fourth brother's cleverness. Right? Here, king tested four brothers. So four are clever. They proved themselves they are the clever. Right? So the king was impressed by seeing those four brothers, and also the king gave them the gifts, all the gifts what they need. The king presented all the gifts to the four brothers, and he was impressed, and he gave all the four brothers. He gave all kinds of gifts. Okay, so this is the story. So did they prove they are the clever brothers? Did four brothers prove themselves? Yes, they proved their cleverness, right? They proved first brother. Rizwan, very good. So four brothers proved themselves as they are the clevers, right? And by whatever the king tested them, they proved themselves in their tests. Okay. And do you like the story? Do you like the story? Is it interesting? Did you understand the story? Okay, Nirma is showing yes, I understood teacher. Hmm? What about remaining student? Did you understand the story? Harshad, Vishnu, Harshad, Murali, Lenina. What is your name? Okay, okay. Very good. I hope you understood well. So shall I write the meaning? Just I explain the meanings. Already you have it in your textbooks. Shall I read? I will read and explain. If I write, it takes a lot of time. Okay? I will read and explain. You should look at your book, 32 page. Okay? Oh, time is over. Okay. Just I will read and explain. Okay. Listen here first. Witness, to see something happen. Witness means, for example, if someone is doing wrong, okay. So if you see that, whenever other person will ask, then you will say, yes, yes, teacher, I have seen that boy is beating to another boy. I have seen. I was at that time. I was there. I have seen that. Like that, you will witness, right? If two, for example, in your class, two students are fighting. Okay. At that time, you are standing there. Okay. You have seen that those two students are fighting. If teacher asks you someone, have you seen anybody saw that they are fighting? At that time, you will see that, yes, teacher, I have seen these two students are fighting. So witness means those to see whatever happened there. To see means the third person who will see whatever happening there. Okay, to see. If you see, then only you can say that, yes, teacher, they fought. Right? So those who are seeing, that means there's something you have seen, something happened. If you see something happen, you will say like that. Right? Stop sending messages. Rajshekar Reddy. Okay? Trial. An examination of evidence by a judge in a law court. So trial means here examination of a evidence by a judge or law court. Okay? So trial means randomly if we ask the questions, they will say the right things. Okay. Have you seen in a court, they will ask the questions to the criminals. So stop sending messages. Okay. What is this? Okay. Trial means examination. That means they want to test whether he is telling the right or wrong. Okay. So at that time, randomly they will ask the questions. So that is called trial. Okay. And intention. Intention means purpose. Okay. So intention means they said that the fourth brother said that is not bad intention. We are not following any bad intention. That means bad. We don't have any bad things in our mind. Okay. We are not thinking badly about them. We don't want to harm those travelers. Just we want to know about whatever we guessed, it is right or wrong. Okay. That is the thought. Okay. Good. Okay. So astonishing means amazing, surprising. Okay. Admit. Admit means agree. To agree. Admit means yes, whatever they are saying, it is right. If they say it is right, that is means admit. Okay. Admit means accept or allow or agree. Okay. And curious. Curious means eager to listen. Eagerly you are waiting for something. So curious means eager. Okay. Alight. Alight means get down. Excel. Do extremely well. Excel means if you do something good. Okay. Something correctly. Then we can say excel. Okay. Okay, time is over. Remaining meanings I will explain tomorrow's class. Thank you. And learn the meanings more. వినిపిస్తుంది కానీ అంటే క్లారిటీ ఏం లేదు.